Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and today, you guessed it, we're playing Fashion Famous, copying people's outfits. So, let's type this in real quick. I love playing Fashion Famous and stuff. I'm a mobile player, so I'm sorry if I'm like have all my points on the mobile thing, because I don't usually play on a computer unless I'm doing a YouTube video. So, yeah, here we go. Let's get right into it. Ah! I don't know why it's small, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay guys, so right now, this is just coming in, like it's just loading in because a round is already going on. But don't you worry, grrr, don't you worry, because we're going to the next round in a minute. Okay, just let this load in, we need to get to the big part, so, yeah. Just wait a quick second before, goodness. Wait a quick second, just right before, before a new round starts, so skip the scroll. It's kind of cute. Alright, just wait for everything to finish and then we're going to start a new round. And yeah, I don't know how to edit, so I'm sorry. You're just going to have to watch this or skip through it. Alright, it's kind of a weird face, so it starts. Alright, so just let this finish. And I wasn't in this round, so... Oh my gosh, yes! That winner totally deserved it. Alright, now we're going on to the next round. Alright! Oh my gosh, this always happens to me when I'm on this. See who's in the server. So we have Addie, Queen of Bears. By the way, these people are getting shout out. Boo Boo 1841, Joy, Taco, Lon123, Westside 2000, LSID V 2011, me, Magwith, Mighty Mouse 999898, Panda I Love 23, and Sophie 5 of Valentina. People in the server. Hello, people. One of you are my victims to copying. Alright, randomizer clothing. Alright, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna figure out who I want to copy. Alright. Mean Girl is the category. Alright, here we go. So, who should I copy? I do not know. Alright. Who is my victim? My victim is not that, she's a VIP. That is my victim right there. Oh god, she's going way too fast. She's not my victim. She is. Let's get that hair. What is it? That hair, okay. Her. Boo girl. Where did she go? What color hair is she getting? Black, okay. Let's go, this is so intense. Alright. Wait, what face is she getting? Oh my gosh, what is your face? The herb face. So let's find the herb. Alright, got it. I think it's that one. Yep, got it. I'm not digging this outfit. That's all I have to say. I hope I got that right face. I'm just gonna get this outfit, pretend I'm changing. Alright, she has this outfit on. Is it this one, I think? Oh my god, did she notice me? Oh my god, is she gonna pick? I think she's a flower now. Is she gonna pick an outfit? Oh, let's get this outfit too, yeah. Is this the one she's gonna go for? I still have to go back and get her face. Don't notice me. Don't. Okay, she changed it again. Oh, don't look at me, don't look at me. I'm just an innocent girl here. What, is she trying on every outfit? The heck? Oh my god, now I have to get these black jeans. Geez, these are crazy. And a black shirt? Is this it? Oh my god, what is she doing? Why did I pick this girl? Now she has white jeans on. Now she's leaving. Now... Like, she's getting a new hair? Is that even her? Gosh. Or me. Ugh, girl, get away. Now I have to get your outfit. I think she had something with white jeans. Oh god, I have 55 seconds and she's changing her outfits. Okay, where are white jeans? There's no white jeans? Where is she? The heck? The heck? Okay, what's her outfit? Let me see it. Okay, there it is. I need to go. I have 27 seconds and I need to go put it on. It has something with a pink top and white jeans or something. Oh yeah, that top and white jeans. Get me something with white in it. Jeans that are white, jeans that are white, jeans that are white. Oh my god, oh my gosh. No, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Those. Okay, close enough. Okay, so what should I write? OMG, no. Somebody copied me. Wow. Okay. Somebody here's trying to copy. What? You copied me? Oh my god, I copied her. I kind of feel bad. I'm gonna give everybody 5 stars because I feel like being nice today. Alright, she's actually pretty cool. Okay, this is the girl who I attempted to copy. Oh, 5 stars because I kind of feel bad. Because I kind of copied her, but she kind of changed her outfit. So this kind of was a fail, but... Oh wow, I really aim for the mean girls like that. Okay, she kind of looks cool. Oop, 5 stars. And yeah. And yeah, let's see. Apparently this girl likes the song, so let's hear it. Woo! Let's go! she actually looks good. Really. Let's see if I won. If I won, I'll be very surprised. I didn't win, but the girl I tried to copy won. Congrats, everybody who won. Alright, guys, that is basically kind of like a deep dive. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video, and yeah, this video gets 5 likes, I'll do it again. This sounds really lame, but true. So this video gets 5 likes, I'll do it again. So,